If you think Obamacare is a disaster, then this is for you. Even if you don't, I hope you'll listen because this has become the Republican talking point in the shutdown fight. See, Republicans need Democratic votes to reopen the government. Democrats have said you can't have that vote until you renew an expiring program that's been holding down the cost of insurance for 20 million plus Americans who get it through the Affordable Care Act. Republicans don't want to do this. It's a lot of government spending that is a perfectly defensible point of view. But Republicans know it's not a winning argument with the public, so they're pointing out all the problems with American healthcare, blaming them on Obamacare, and calling it a failed program that we shouldn't subsidize anymore. And look, it has been 15 years since the Affordable Care Act became law. We still have so many people struggling with medical bills because they don't have insurance or they can't keep up with their premiums and their deductibles and their copays. But not even Barack Obama said that the Affordable Care Act was going to solve the problems of American healthcare. The promise was that that was going to make things better, and the numbers don't lie. We used to have 45 million people with no insurance in this country. Now it's down to 25 million. That is a massive reduction. And no insurance is not the same as care. So many doctors and patients are dealing with soul-crushing insurance bureaucracies that deny necessary care. But we have really good data on what's happened to people who got coverage. They are getting better access to care. They are less likely to go into financial distress. And they are healthier and probably living longer. Now, look, I don't expect you to take my word for this. My latest edition of the Breakdown newsletter brings the receipts. It cites the studies, walks through the counter arguments, and tells the story of how our healthcare system got this broken, which, by the way, is also the story of why it's so damn hard to fix. It's the Breakdown newsletter by me, Jonathan Cohn at the Bulwark. I hope you'll read it, and I hope you subscribe because we really depend on readers like you to support us and keep this journalism going.